Hi mga mi, good evening, good evening. So ayan, natapos ko na po edit yung video natin. Kung na-remember nyo po na pumunta tayo ng Thailand last week, 'di ba? So sa mga gustong pumunta ng Thailand at may planong pumunta ng Thailand, i-share ko po sa inyo yung mga lugar na napuntahan namin sa aming 4 days po na bakasyon sa Thailand. Okay, ilagay nyo na po sa bucket list nyo para sure na pupuntahan nyo agad-agad kasi ang ganda, no regrets at all. Okay? So ayan, samahan nyo ako, panoorin po natin.
ในภาษาไทย for male we gonna say สวัสดีครับ and for lady we gonna say สวัสดีค่ะ and for lady boy we are going to say สวัสดีค่ะถึงไหนแล้วมา did you get water okay you are มา just me hello hello มาโอ้ลุยส์วิกตองคาเมราขอบคุณค่ะ
The gemstone. So when we are at the gemstone, if you are your man, if your husband, you can turn your face and see and ask him how beautiful. Okay, if you have been at it, look at me. Look at it. I got it. Mula, 300 baht, 300 peso. Ito ang alito. You can live one. If one, you can buy one and your husband. And then, Ate Kuya, did you see on the left hand? This is the trolley, the troll. No, sorry, the cart, the tram. We gonna come here by tram. Okay. Ate Kuya, please be on.
ขอบคุณค่ะเป็นไงล่ะเข้ามาแล้วนะเขาบอกว่าลดให้กับคุณแล้วนะคะตอนนี้มีหลายอย่างทำโปรโมชั่นเพิ่มเติมนะคะสามารถแจ้งกันได้เลยนะพร้อมนะคะจะค่าอื่นอาจจะ100บาทนะไม่ใช่100คนนะ50,000 บาท100 บาทนะคะพูดง่ายๆคือเป็นการเพ้นท์กรอบรูปนะคะเพ้นท์กรอบรูปแล้วก็มีแบบว่าเอาที่เราไปนั่นแล้วที่เราไปไหนเอาที่พูดกับตัวที่เป็นสายพันธุ์เป็นสายพันธุ์
And his own picture of the lavender from on the main page. And this is the plenty of small forest. Yes, so the yellow color that you see, this is 100% edgy character.
Dapat mga ni grabe. Mga mi. 18K daw nito. Nata dire lang sa kapay. Golden gold na. Kaniyang gold na. Tatanan na gold na makita niyo is 18K. So shout out, Juan Alviller, Palawan po siya sila sa Harvard. Charot!
You ask ka. Okay. Dapat po.
Let's go. I can lead. Lady. Gentlemen. Lady. Lady boy. Mom, I told you.
Okay, CR.
สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ
best friend na talaga. Tapos, nakakuha na rin sila ng pamilya at yung left. Okay? In Roman 21:41, nagsisimilikaan ng mga ginawa ng Chinese. Pag-protect ako nila sa atas damit. Okay? So, sobrang lang po sa China, parang winter, tutulungan nila mga best friend, yung kanilang mga higaan at sa mga China. Okay? So, mga usikalin po natin, ito yung sabi kong pinahing mga hari ng mga Thailand. Okay? Ito po sa Thailand screenshot po.
Not my speaking, but no, Tagalog. Filipino speaking. Okay. When you are there, you're gonna see Miss Nina. She was an English teacher. She was an English teacher in Thailand. In international school. And after that, she changed her job. She worked in this job because
Mga media dito tayo sa mga pampaganda sa Thailand, mga collagen lifting, lahat-lahat. Bibili tayo ng pampaganda, Thailand made.
now she is 90 years old. Yeah, but so sad, proud for 1 hour. And after that, we can take good picture. Yes, so. Ate Kuya, right now, what is our first act? Yeah! You already gutom? Very fast. We just finished eating mango sticky rice. How can you suddenly gutom? Filipino. Ate Kuya, the lunch start at 12 o'clock. Not yet. What?
Hi mga mi, so alam niyo ba asan tayo ngayon? Miriam! So, ayan kasama ko kapatid ko. So alam niyo ba asan tayo ngayon? Nasa pick up tayo. Charot, pero ibang pick up ata ito. Parang itatapon ka. Ano ba init? Okay. What happened? Okay. So ayan mga mi, nasa elephant riding po kami. Ayan. O diba? Pa, only in Pattaya. One and only in the world. Ang init nga lang. O diba? Ang laki ng elephant mga mi. So, ganito na lang. O diba? Best experience ever. Ipupunta tayo ng Thailand. Pattaya mga mi. Swipe up, kapag kap. Swipe up mak. Unsa pa ba? O diba? Ganito pa rin yun. May basta ko time.
OK，let's go。sit down, sit down。我们的主讲就会演出节目马上就开始。เรามาสำหรับการถ่ายรูปตอนเช้านะครับตอนนี้นะครับเดินทางอยู่ตรงนี้เลยนะครับ
Ate Kuya, how about the show? Yes. How can I be there? Yes, welcome to Thailand. Right now, we are meeting the most biggest, oh yeah, the biggest, okay? The biggest rubber garden in Southeast Asia is called the Bush Tropical Garden. Hello, Hamai. Yes, okay. Ate Kuya, that is on the left hand side is one of the biggest elephant statue. You know how Bush Tropical Garden is called? Okay. Give it a red kick out. And on the right hand side is rainbow. We already visit what? The show, okay? Ma'am, so now we go to sightseeing around. This is her first visit to plan all bonsai tree and sell bonsai tree to rich man houses, okay? After collect all the bonsai tree, okay? After collect all the money, she can change the second job to be real estate. Download Tropical Garden. Okay, let's go. Get mother and either school. These are all the previous these four countries were. These four countries respected to Buddhist religions. The crown will go around. Okay, and entry to that section. Now, sir, now our time is going to collect. After that, you are being
Lady boss. Yeah. Her body bigger than. Ma'am. Welcome back. Did you remember I showed you Akara hotel? Did you do? 64,000 baht. 18.5 karat. Gram.
Masayo ba?
74 karat ate.
Palito na mga
Yes po.
kasayo ba? Kaya yung mga din sa Pilipinas, huwag kayong pumunta ng Thailand. Baka lutuin kayo dito mga mi, lalo na sa DPWH. Sarap lang. Rupiah tayo. Abulhan.
40,000-50,000 Thai baht. Mamaya na kayo mag-compute. Parang may mental math na kayo. Magkano sa peso. O yan na nga sila. Mamaya na po mag-compute. Ha? Alright. Now, pero...
Party inspired.
Kuya, you take it and show your friends in Philippines.
I have information. Are you ready? Ate punya. Stand up here. Other and New York. Right now we are going. Now, welcome to the Welcome to the country. Ate Sila. Ate first, I would like to inform you. I'm going to beautiful Ate told me this morning. I have to go. But she told me. But you know, the queen of Thailand was fasting last night. I said no information because one, I get up late, I didn't read anything, okay? And after I turn on the news.
River cruise ang ating pinag-sabihin wala agad sa year. Makipagpita ko sa inyo kung saan kami mag-dinner ngayong gabi. Yung pinakasikat na river cruise dito sa Thailand. Wait lang. So ayan yung view ha. Icon Siam. Ayan yung Marine Hotel dyan. So ito yung river cruise. Dito kami mag-dinner ngayong gabi. So ayan yung mga kasama namin. Say hi! Sawadika! Sawadika! Okay. Ayan po yung mga kasama namin sa dinner namin ngayong gabi. Check natin yung correct! Grabe ka romantic dito. Try na dito pumunta kayo ng Thailand. Bye! Kain muna kami.